meet her, like I don't really need her. At the same time, she complete me. This ain't easy when you're brought up like I was. She's just wearing disguises and always full of surprises, always sparking demises, but sometimes touch you like Midas. Then you feel you got a heart of gold. Minute later, start to fold under the pressure, always making you feel lesser than your worth, like you're on another's turf and you don't really deserve to be playing on it. But now I'm slaying on it and plan on staying on it. It feels like she believes in me. She lives inside, won't ever leave. So on my own, I'm not alone. I found my call, don't need my phone to talk to mama, when my days are getting hotter than the sauna. She told me I don't need to sweat about the drama, and when I can, she still be singing like na na na. Mama, mama, where'd you go? I'm on a very scary boat. I'm here, I'm right inside you, boy. The light inside will guide you, boy. You'll weather the weather, and the wetter the better, cause the storm is a form of a gift. If you get torn from your ship, then you better get swimming. Maybe hear my voice and listen. My love is unconditional, I don't need your reciprocal. Even if you misbehave, I still will whisper through the waves, you're gonna be okay. The world is for you, I hope you hold it for you bid it adieu. Stop believing what the demons keep on screaming at you. Wish you believe what I be seeing when I'm beaming at you. It feels like she believes